searched. Ridiculous. We're here for y'all. We make sure that everybody's rights are respected. These cops like to take advantage of rights. Did y'all give them consent to search your vehicle? You do not have to consent.
Lake Charles, this is where we're at. Lake Charles. And she's really getting down there, isn't she, everybody? Getting down there. Get in there. What the hell?
Here we go.
What's up?
What's up? Sergeant or oh, Corporal? Nice to meet you, Corporal. Just making sure everybody's rights are being respected today. How you doing today, brother? What up, Leo?
So the cops on Ninja.
We have
He's
a corporal.
just getting water.
It
Yeah.
appears we have 2 corporals. 3 corporals? What is this? Is everybody a corporal around here? We have another officer on scene.
Let's see. Look at this. Look at all of this,
We
everybody.
got 1, 2, 3, 4 police units.
1, 2, 3.
Because we had people driving. This is
And
unit
4.
Unit 27. We got unit 48.
Got number 4 here. 4 cars.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
She's just gonna ignore you, dude. You think she's gonna talk to you?
Maybe. Could I ask possibly what was the reason for the stop, or
Can't say so.
you can't say nothing?
I'm just here to help.
That's what I told him. He ain't gonna say shit. He don't tell you nothing. We don't know why the passenger was taken out, but they searched the car. What'd you say, bro? They tripping? Yeah, wait till they leave, man. Wait till they leave, we'll talk to you. Wait till they leave, bro. So they pulled you guys over for what?
We just pulled this old car for an inspection sticker.
Right?
That's all they pulled over for.
That's all they did? Now, when they searched your car, did they ask for consent to search your car?
Yeah.
And you gave it to them?
Dude, fuck them, man.
You don't have to, bro. You don't have to give them. You don't have to say anything to them.
She acts like, it's like I guess she smell weed. I'm like, ain't no weed smell in here because they're like, when the last time y'all smoking it?
Right, right. That's why they. Yeah, listen. All you have to do when the cops pull you over is show them
Yeah, we're
your
done now.
your identification,
That was the officer's fault.
driver's license, proof of insurance. You don't have to answer any questions. If you don't give them consent, you didn't have to give them consent to search your vehicle.
Check
That's all.
out our channels. We're gonna let this lady get out, but he's News Now California. He's here from LA. I'm News
Yeah,
Now.
I came out from California.
I'm News Now Ninja. You can look us both up on YouTube. We're live right now. Y'all are live on the internet right now.
Oh, we on this bitch.
You
So
guys
go
are
check
on
it
the
out.
internet.
Hey, if y'all got a shout out, give it. Tell them your shout
Follow
out.
me at _.
There you go.
Follow me at whoa.k.
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 Hell yeah.
Okay,
Hey,
okay.
yo, if y'all get over to their channel, let them know News Now Ninja sent you guys.
Tell them fuck 12.
Fuck 12. Oh well. LBs for sale.
All right, you guys have a good one.
All right, man.
All right, look, these officers are having a little powwow down the street.
All right, so they're having a powwow down the street. That's what they do. So we're gonna head down here. Shit, here's a house you can get pretty cheap. All right, so they're pulled down all the way at the end of the street. You know, that's how cops are. Cops aren't going to tell you jack, you know, why they're on the call. I mean, it's rare. It's very rare. But, you know, that's the way it is. You get out here on the front lines, people, it's a war. Let me tell you. This isn't for everybody. I don't know if I saved the day to news, but I appreciate it. It's a constant battle out here on the front lines. So I'm guessing by the time we hoof it down here, they're gonna take off. Yeah, they're already taking off. All right, let's go, Ninja. Figured that's gonna happen. Anyways, here's the sky of, where the hell were we? Where are we? That's good. We don't even know where we are. Yeah, they just hem these.
Cop car.
Huh?
Hey guys, where did it say we were at? What did it say on the cop car? In the chat? Are y'all in here? What did it say on the cop car? I don't even know where I'm at right now.
Yeah, I said it and I can't remember. Where did I say we were? I got 20 million things flashing in my head. I got them on the cop car. Lake Charles, thank you. And hello, Fair Shake. Hi.
Good job. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, man.
We like to try to stand up for freedom.
You go on the internet? You go to the internet? You on YouTube? You go to YouTube? Go to my buddy's News Now Ninja, and I'm News Now California. I came out from California.
Okay, cool.
You know, we out making sure that these cops don't abuse everybody's rights.
Right, I see y'all, man, and y'all really on point, bro, and I appreciate that.
Appreciate you, man.
Man, I'm gonna hit y'all, bro.
Thank you much. Take care, brother. All right, got a new subscriber. Got a new one. It's nice when people come out and give you a shout out off the streets, like what we're doing. You know, makes you feel like you're getting the message out there. It's a good feeling.